This quick guide will teach you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or enhance your project management system, connecting these two powerful platforms can make a big difference. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your forms. Find the form you wish to integrate with Monday.com and click on it to open. When you have your form selected, look for the option to edit the form. This will allow you to access all the settings and customization options needed for the integration. Now that you're in the form editor, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see a tab labeled Settings. Click on this tab to proceed. The settings page is where you can manage various aspects of your form, and it's your gateway to integrating with other platforms. Within the settings, you'll find a section dedicated to integrations. Click on Integrations to open up a variety of options. This section allows you to connect your Jotform account with numerous applications and services, streamlining your data management and workflow processes. To find Monday.com, use the search bar provided in the Integrations menu. Type in Monday.com and press Enter. Once you see Monday.com appear in the search results, click on it. This will open the integration setup page specifically for Monday.com. On this page, you'll need to choose the specific action you want to perform through this integration. This might include creating a new item, updating an existing one, or any other action that fits your workflow needs. Once you've selected your desired action, click Next to proceed to the authentication phase. Before you can authenticate, you'll need your Monday.com API key. This key is a unique identifier that allows Jotform to securely connect to your Monday.com account. If you're unsure where to find your API key, simply log into your Monday.com account, navigate to the admin section, and look for the API settings. Once you have your API key, enter it into the field provided in the Jotform integration setup. With your API key entered, the next step is to authenticate the connection. Click on the Authenticate button and wait for the confirmation message. This step ensures that your Jotform account can communicate with Monday.com securely and that all data transfers are safe and protected. And that's it. With authentication complete, your Jotform is now successfully integrated with Monday.com. This setup will allow you to automate tasks, improve communication across platforms, and enhance your productivity. By following these steps, you've connected two robust tools that can help streamline your project management processes. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, both Jotform and Monday.com offer extensive support resources to assist you. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.